Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix a waiting endpoint Discord error. Now you need to know that this problem you may face it due to several issues. The first issue is the internet connection. So my advice to you is to simply go and check your internet connection and call the internet provider that you are subscribed with, and they will probably solve your issue. Now you need to know that also this problem may occur due to that you have a very old Discord update. So now in order to update the Discord, you will have to click on Control plus R or Command plus R if you are using the Mac in order to refresh the Discord. And it will refresh as you can see right now. The good thing that you can actually, another option or solution that you can actually use is to simply go and open the task manager and end the task of Discord like so, then reopen it again and try to connect to the channel that you have actually been facing the issue with. Now you need to know that it may occur due to a server outage on Discord, and in this case you cannot actually do anything in order to solve this problem. So in this case the problem is with Discord servers itself, so you cannot actually do anything about it. But now let me try and open any voice channel. I'm gonna open this one here for example, and now I have connected successfully. But you may face this issue also if you have that region isn't something near to you. So you can simply go to the user settings. So you can go to the settings and change the region, or simply go to the voice channel itself and change the region from it. So here, as you can see, I'm calling someone. Then I'll change the region from automatic to Sydney or to a specific region. So all of these are solutions in order to fix this issue. So let's summarize again. Number one, you can check your internet connection. Number two, you can check for Discord updates. Number three, you can check for the region that you are actually on. Number four, you can check the Discord servers itself. Number five, and finally, you can restart Discord by simply click on Control plus R or Command plus R if you are using your Mac. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.